Hello everyone. Today in this tutorial I want us to look at how to design a door guide in Fusion. In fact, this is very basic and it's meant for those who have just started Fusion 360. So this is the door guide and I want us to look at sorry. I want us to look at the dimensions from here. So we have the dimensions here. If you look at the dimensions, if we look at the dimensions here, we have the length up to the center of the circle here to be 120, and then there is another box within this main box, and the length of that box is 80. The outer radius of the bigger box is 20, and the inner radius of the small box is 10. So what we are going to do first is to open our Fusion, which I've already opened here, and then we will draw a box. Okay, we will draw a box of length 120 and width 40. So let's go and get that one done. So I will just click on the create, and then I'll select the bottom or the plan view here, the top plane, and I'll go for rectangle, but I'll pick the center rectangle, and then I'll step here and draw this, and the length is 120. I'll press the tab key and I'll put 40 here and then press enter. Once I've got this, if we go back to the drawing, you will see that this box that I've already drawn has a radius of 20, a radius of 20, meaning the diameter is 40. So I'll go here and get this circle command or tool here, step here and draw a circle of diameter 40, and that will be this one here. I can trim off this bit for now, because I wouldn't need that. I wouldn't need this. And then there is another box there. There is this box here. Let's go back to the orthographic view. This box here, and the width is 20, meaning it's offsetted from the main box by 10 at the top and 10 at the bottom here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go back to the drawing and I'll offset this by 10. So I'll use the offset command. I'll click on this first and then use the offset command, and I'll take it down by 10 millimeters. And then another thing I will do is that I'll repeat the offset command. I'll click on I'll just cancel that. I'll select this line first, and then I'll just put in 10 millimeters, and that will be okay for me. And then also you see this base of the this rectangle is 40 millimeters from here, because the length of this rectangle, the inner rectangle, is 80 and the length of the outer one is 40. So the difference between here and there is 40. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to offset this by 40. So I'll come in here and just select this line here, click the offset command, and then I will move this by 40. I'll press enter. So what I've done is I've got this shape. What I need to do next is to trim it off. So I'll trim this bit off, I'll trim that bit off. I have to undo, something went wrong there. So trim that bit off, and then this bit, that bit. So I've got the shape now. Now I'll go for the circle command. I'll step here and draw a circle of diameter 20, and I can trim this also off and trim this bit off here, that bit off, that bit off. So I've got this nice shape. Now let's go back to the drawing. See, here is 40 and the overall width here is 70. So 70 minus 30, sorry, minus 40 gives us 30. That is from here to this side, from this end here to that end here, to that end here. So I'm going to get a line command and draw 30, 40, and then I will just take it that way up. So let's go and get a line command. So this is the line command. I'll go down by 30 and it's there, so I'll just press the tab key and I'll just draw and take it this way, 40, press the tab key, and I will take it all the way to somewhere here. I'm not sure, but I'll just click. What I'm going to do is that, let's go back to this drawing. See, from here to there is 50. So what I'm going to do now is I'll go back here, pick the dimension command, click here and there, and I'll just put in 50 here. So I've got that one done, and let's look at the shape once again. So here there isn't anything in here, there isn't anything in there. So what I'm going to do is I can show you the drawing from here. There is nothing in here. So what I'm going to do here is I'm just going to trim this bit off. So here I'll get a trim command, I'll trim that off, and I've got a shape now. So everything looks okay, and I'll just finish sketch and I'll click the isometric view. So I've got this now. What I'm going to do is I'm going to extrude it by 10 millimeters up, and it's 10 millimeters. So I'll just click OK, and this is done. We've got the door guide nicely done here, as it is right here. So we've got it nicely done. Thank you for watching, and keep expecting more videos from me. Bye.